I'm told this is going to be an interesting session. In fact, this is going to be a workshop actually which is going to be conducted by Sudhakar. And as everyone else perhaps in this room, I'm also wondering what is this about. So if you can tell us a little bit about this before you actually start up with the workshop.
Sure. So this is about, just go to the previous one. Discovering our true calling as individuals. So essentially the whole premise is that many of the things that we are engaged in today have not necessarily come out of individual choice. It may be choices made up by our parents saying, okay, you be an engineer or you get into IT. And somehow we have come into this field, we are at different levels of success, different levels in our career in this field. But if you had an opportunity to actually discover what's your true essence, what's your true passion, what you're really about, then would this be the career you really choose? So it's actually getting back to basics in terms of what's your essence. And I've been writing about it, I've been talking about it, but this is a thing as a workshop to explore it together. It's to discover how to go about finding one's essence. And then coming back and seeing how do you apply that essence to what you're doing. So it may mean shift in what you do or doing the same thing but using a different approach, using a different facet of yourself, different gift that you have. So it's actually coming back to basics and looking at not just doing something with your head, because ultimately the what software brings in some ways only the intellect to play. So it's not just your body and head, but can you also get your heart and spirit, heart and soul into the whole exercise in terms of whatever work that you do. So discovering your true calling is about actually figuring out how we can get 100% of ourselves, which is our minds, our hearts, our body, into producing a specific impact in the world. So I want to ensure that at Mastech we practice whatever I talk about outside. When I do these workshops, I wear two hats. One is as the chairman of the company, and second is as an individual who's trying to facilitate, who's trying to coach, mentor. So you should view this as more my second hat rather than as chairman of the company. So effectively you're able to doing hard work.
All right, so that great session has come to an end, but we have a couple of more sessions left for the day and some more time left to spend with Sudhakar Ram. It's working out really well so far.
Front office team, over you. Mike Heads is one of the few people.
This is Sahina from NDTV. We have
PC.
Lots of work, lots of talk since morning. We've known the person Sudhakar Ram is. It's time to actually gear up for the rest of the day and have some lunch with Sudhakar and his team.
Who's better?
This is interesting. Mastech, it's a colorful place. So while we understand about the company and Sudhakar, there is a lot more to the employees here. You can see the cakes flying. There you go.